You think you've seen mini PCs? Nah, what I'm about to show you makes those look like pocket calculators. These are the most ridiculous, overpowered, AI-ready mini PCs dropping into, and trust me, you won't believe some of these even exist. We've got rigs so small they disappear behind your monitor, and some with enough power to shame your full-size desktop. Buckle up. Number 10. MeLE Quieter 3Q. Starting us off is something you'd barely even notice on your desk, the MeLE Quieter 3Q. This one's totally fanless, which means zero noise. I'm talking about a completely silent operation, like stealth mode computing. It's packing Intel's N5105 chip, which isn't going to win any speed records, but for streaming 4K, emulation, and light AI workloads, it gets the job done with style. It's also crazy efficient, pulls under 15 watts at full load. That's with everything plugged in. And despite its size, it's got a solid port lineup: USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and 3 USB 3 ports. Plus it supports NVMe SSDs. You can pop the bottom off and swap in more storage in seconds. This one's for the minimalist out there. Quiet, compact, and surprisingly capable. Number 9. ASRock Xbox U. This one looks plain on the outside, but don't let that fool you. The ASRock Xbox U is a wolf in beige clothing. It runs on AMD's Ryzen 7 5800U 8 cores, 16 threads, and Vega 8 graphics, which are solid for light AI inference tasks or edge computing. Now, here's the catch. ASRock locked the power ceiling at watts. That means you're not getting the full muscle of the U unless you mess around with third-party tweaks. Still, the BIOS tuning here is tight. You're getting solid performance, even with those constraints. If you're into tweaking or just want something simple with power under the hood, this box is a sleeper hit. Number 8. Beelink Sur U. Beelink took that same U chip and said, let's unleash it. The CR gives you BIOS-level control over power limits, so you can push this chip beyond what ASRock allows. You want full 28+ watt performance? You got it. And this thing looks sleek. Beelink's been leveling up their build's name brand RAM, legit SSDs, and real attention to quality. You can max it out with 64 gigabytes of RAM, run dual storage, 1 NVMe and 1 2.5-inch SSD, and it doesn't break a sweat. If you're running AI workloads locally, having control over TDP is a game changer. And this box gives you that control in a small, stylish package. Number 7. Minisforum B. Now this is where things start getting wild. The Minisforum B is basically a mini PC built for modders. Why? Because it lets you hook up an external desktop GPU through an M slot. Yeah, you heard that right. It ships with a dock that lets you power and connect a full-sized graphics card. But you'll need your own PSU and GPU. Still, for AI pros who need GPU acceleration but don't want a bulky rig, this thing is gold. Internally, you can run Ryzen G or G, both with Vega graphics. And you've got room for 2 NVMe SSDs, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and up to 64 gigabytes of RAM. Setup's a bit advanced, but if you're the kind of person who enjoys customizing and maxing out hardware, this is your playground. Number 6. Intel NUC Pro Wall Street Canyon. Intel's not letting AMD have all the fun. The NUC Pro, aka Wall Street Canyon, comes with the IP cores, threads, and Intel's Iris Xe graphics. But the real gem? Thunderbolt 4% support. This thing plays nice with external GPUs like butter. I've tested it with both an RTX 3060 and 3080 via Thunderbolt, no issues, and it runs cool, even at 35W loads, thanks to its redesigned cooling system. If you're in the Intel ecosystem and want something small but flexible, especially for AI training with an eGPU setup, this Nukes delivers. Number 5. ASRock Desk Mini X. Alright, now we're entering micro desktop territory. The ASRock Desk Mini X supports full desktop Ryzen APUs, up to the G. That's 8 cores, 16 threads, and Vega 8 baked in. But here's the cool part. It also supports dual-slot mini ITX GPUs. I've run a GTX in here with no issues. Power-wise, it's got a WPSU pre-installed and enough room for an NVMe drive and 2 SATA SSDs. It's basically a full desktop experience, shrunk down into a lunchbox. If you're looking to build your own compact AI workstation from scratch, this is a strong foundation. Number 4. Beelink GTR Ryzen HX. Now we're stepping into the series. The Beelink GTR is powered by the Ryzen HX with Radeon M graphics based on RDNA. That means legit performance from an integrated GPU. This chip can fly 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 64 GB DDR5 at 4800 mHz and dual M.2 drive support. While the early units didn't have USB 4, the 6900HX architecture technically supports it, so a refresh is likely. Even without an eGPU, the M can handle real-time AI inference and video processing better than you'd expect from something this size. It's a future-ready beast. Number 3. Minisforum Neptune series. Another Ryzen HX machine, but this time with USB fully enabled. The Minisforum takes everything great about the GTR and steps it up a notch. You can plug an external GPU directly into the front USB port and instantly upgrade your AI performance. But even without it, the Radeon M here absolutely slaps, especially when paired with MHz RAM. It's got a vertical or horizontal setup, space for 2 drives, and a design that looks clean and modern. And if you're the kind of user who likes overclocking RAM from the BIOS, go nuts. It supports that too. Number 2. Minisforum HXG. This is the sleeper gaming monster. The HXG doesn't mess around. It's got a Ryzen HX and a dedicated Radeon M GPU with GB of GDDR of RAM. That's real GPU power in a mini PC form factor. I've played full PC games at P on this thing, no sweat. It also supports dual NVMe drives, up to GB RAM, and has a super quiet dual-fan cooling setup. If you're working with AI models that need GPU acceleration but don't want to go the external route, this is the box for you. Compact, powerful, and built like a tank. Number 1. Minisforum Nucci 7. And finally, the top dog, the Minisforum Nucci 7. This is my daily driver, and for good reason. Inside, it's running an Intel i7 11800 hours paired with an NVIDIA RTX 3070 laptop GPU, 8 GB of GDDR6, ready to crunch. Sure, it's a mobile GPU, not a desktop one, but don't let that fool you. With its thermal system, it runs at full tilt with whisper quiet cooling. I've pushed this machine to the limit, CPU and GPU maxed, and it doesn't even break a sweat. Whether you're editing video, training machine learning models, or just need raw portable power, so yeah, is already shaping up to be wild for AI mini PCs. We've got tiny silent boxes, modder-friendly beasts, GPU-powered juggernauts, and everything in between. Whether you're building an AI dev kit or just want raw performance in a small footprint, you've got options. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below. And if you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos.